Box away, because in reality we could use these two boxes stacked on top of each other and put the TV on top of them instead. It would be fine. Isn't that cool?
It's the first thing she did as well. She came in. She was like standing there with her ass against the camera.
But I didn't know it was there.
No, it doesn't matter. I'll pop it in that house anyway. You're not good with cameras, are you?
Oh, I'm not used to it. I had that ice cream.
Yeah, you can take the plastic if you want, darling.
Look, there's another one.
See what other parts we got here. Whoa! I need the scissors, I think.
It's nice, huh?
Wow!
Leave that there, though. Don't touch.
What's this one? This one? A little piece of it. This little one.
Put this piece
Just
here.
wash out with plants and stuff.
Put it here. To have them all in the same place. You can give Mommy the plastic, Daddy can have the heavy items.
So we cut it up first.
This one's funny, yeah, listen. Pop, pop. You want to try it? Squeeze it.
Some tools, some stuff.
You want to try it? You have to push it hard.
Yeah, there's another one.
More bubble. You want to try that one? Squeeze it. Take both of your hands and just...
Yeah. More plastic. More plastic. Wow. Alright, I should take the manual out now. Oh, just...
Wow. And this chair you can actually sit on.
This one's already
Oh, good. I
Now,
guess these are like handles in that way. And then at the back, we'll go at the back for it to be able to clip it.
yeah, I just want to make sure I
Do
mount
it
it
right.
properly. So it doesn't break when someone lays on it or something. Right. This one.
This one's the back.
This one goes in front.
It looks like. Goes in back. This.
There's legs underneath there already
Yeah.
at the front.
One.
And you have numbers on these pieces as well, like 3, 5.
One. This one is 2, right? 2. And on the left side of it. This side. This side. D.
Not that one, this one. And you find a bubble, like this one, and just
1, 2, 3, 4. Those together.
you can use it to get your phone. Now what past?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Those are these ones. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then
There she is. your glove. Good job. Oh, look how many bogies came out. Now, can you do it again? Does that feel better when you do that?
What are you doing, Amelia? No?
I need the guide, Amelia.
Go. Alright. Now what? I need A1, B1. Not just one. Isn't it going to be on both sides? You want A and B.
B. Good job.
Just like that. This one goes up. And it's supposed to be attached where? Down at the bottom of this thing. And this is supposed to, it doesn't matter. Oh, it kind of does. Back of this. All the way in where? I don't even know what this is yet, so let's just wait with that. Let's cut out what I need first. I have the A's and B's. A's, B's. Here, you want some plastic? Those. F. I have F. I need 4 of those. 4 F's. 2 G's. G's. And this tool. There you go. So, this is for what now? I need the B's. Or the bottom. Where it should be. F. These goes where? At the very bottom. Go through there. And then E, which is this one. E, F. No, stay, Amelia. F. After it's gone through. That one. There. Gotcha. Gummy one. And then the metal one. Here. That one. Through. And then a soft one. Amelia, not now, please. Not now. Amelia, what did I say? Move. Now those things are attached. And we should screw them with this thing. What are you doing, Amelia? Huh? What you doing? Okay. That one sits. Next. There we go. Right, what's next? Now it's the other one, which is here. Now it needs to come in here. Ah, come on. Can you go over? Gosh. Okay. Now we're getting somewhere. So it's here at the bottom with what? Oh, okay. Right. Supposed to be more of those? There's too many. Oh, we got more of these. Yes. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's screwed down. Alright, this one's gonna be a little bit difficult to take. So I need. Oh, you can see my ass for a while now. Here, this should go. Some did. Oh, next, here, something, then. Not the easiest to assemble this one. Tell you, I'm getting sweaty now. This one over here. Right. Now, let's get these ones Nice and tight. Can't see anything. Good grip. Other side. Damn it. Getting such sweaty hands. There we go. Now we're getting somewhere. Oh, okay. What's next? I should show them what I should do on the other side there. I'll already done that. Let's see. It's this one. See. It's hollow bit. So this one's gonna go in the back now. Boom. On which side? On the inside. Like this. And then it should be attached to this thing here. This one. And then the other one here. That's it, I think. Now, let's bottom. It's gonna have these. It looks like they already have it. One should be on the outside. Oh, that thing. This one goes up. And it should be plugged in there. Oh. Easier like this, actually. Why am I making things so difficult for myself? I will never know. Come on. Oh, no strength left now, man. Now we're almost done, eh? These screw protectors, and we should be all done. Plug all of these on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's flip it around because I can't see anything. Should just be a couple more. I can't remember where I kept it to before, so I'm stopping painting now. Can't be bothered. That one, and then these two, and that's it. Oh, done. Let's see how it feels. Ah. Put it on the highest one. Oh. Nice. Only took 36 minutes.